Hi lovely friends, and welcome back to my channel and Feel Good Food Friday. Recently I had the most delicious smashed avocado on sourdough and it really inspired me, so I've created my own versions and I've got two for you in today. So I've just toasted two lovely pieces of sourdough here and I'm going to add some smashed avocado, this wonderful little powerhouse. Ready done here. So just finishing off smashing it. All I'm doing, adding a little bit of pepper and salt, a smidge of lemon juice, and that will go straight onto the sourdough and form the basis of our recipes. So this is the base of both of my smashed avocado recipes, and avocado is just so full of nutrients, vitamins C, E, K, loads of nutrients, and we're going to make them really exciting. So my first recipe, we're going to add some fresh rocket, and then we're going to crumble some Roquefort. This will add some beautiful saltiness to it, really lovely and tasty. And then just as a garnish, some little bits of lemon. And there is the first little delicious smashed avocado toast with Roquefort cheese. You can choose your own, rocket, a little bit of lemon, fabulous. So just before I go on to my second recipe, please do hit that like button if you're enjoying these Feel Good Friday food videos, and subscribe as well so that I know that you love them and I can make some more of them. And please do comment underneath and let us all know in our lovely community of fabulous ladies what you like to do with your avocado and sourdough. Do you have it just plain, just like this? Or do you put different toppings on? And don't forget, it's really, really versatile because you can have it as a vegan, just the avocado and the sourdough, or if you're vegetarian, you will really love that first recipe I did. Or next one is a real Mediterranean vibe. So for this Mediterranean version, I'm adding prosciutto, which is just the most wonderful thing from Italy, which is going to give it a lovely, again, a lot of saltiness, and a little bit of a different texture as well, soft. And then on the top of that, I'm going to add a boiled egg. And I like it so that it's just beautifully runny. Like that. Okay, so then what I add is a little bit of cherry tomato. It's getting rather packed now. And then to top it off, some beautiful fresh basil. Twist of pepper and salt, and there you have my Mediterranean avocado and sourdough. So I hope you really liked these little recipes. You know, this is what I like to do, feel good food. So it tastes good, tastes really delicious, trust me. And it looks good, it's colourful, and it is really good for us as well. That's what I'm all about, feel good food. So I really hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you next time for more feel good food.